Hi friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, let's see how to create a macro to automate Internet Explorer. Let's open Excel. Press Alt F11 key or go to Developer and click Visual Basic to come to Visual Basic Editor. Open Sheet 1 and here we'll create a subroutine. Let's say automate Internet Explorer. Yeah. To automate Internet Explorer, we need object of Internet Explorer first. So let's say dim Internet Explorer as Internet. Okay, so I'm not getting option for Internet Explorer. For that, we need to add a reference, that is Microsoft Internet Explorer. There are a lot of reference which we need to search carefully. Yeah, this is the one, Internet Controls, and click OK. So now if you type Internet Explorer, you should get. So let's see what is this. To see this in detail, we need to go to object window and yeah, SH Docs VW is Internet Explorer. Here we have a lot of classes. If you see, Internet Explorer is a class one among them. So if you want to say in detail, you can again double click SH Docs. So you can put SH Docs v dot Internet Explorer, and so let me initialize the code in one line as new. If you don't want this new, you can say set Internet Explorer is equal to new, then you can copy paste this, or you can simply say like that. I'm going to say in one code. If you are including this second line, then you need to remove this new. Then for opening Internet Explorer, you can say Internet Explorer dot navigate, let's say .google.com. By default, Internet Explorer will be hidden mode, so we need to make visibility is equal to true. Now let's run. If you press F5 in the code, it will run, or F5 to debug line by line. You see it has opened Google in IE. Now let's try to print. So let's say message box Internet Explorer dot locate URL and press F5. So I got empty. This is due to problem in loading. The Internet Explorer loads slower, the code executes faster. So we need to wait until the Internet Explorer loading completely. We can achieve that by do loop, do while or do until. So I always prefer until. Do until Explorer dot ready state is equal to complete and loop. So yeah, there is a spelling mistake. Do until. Okay. So this loop will take care of it until it's loading. Now if you press F5 and you should get the URL. So now our code is working fine. Now let's see how to log into your Gmail using macro. So for that I will open Internet Explorer. Here if you click sign in. Okay, let's directly go to this page, and here we need to enter Gmail ID and click next. That's the target. So let's create a constant. Let's see, const URL as string, which is equal to this one, and we'll put in the navigate method this URL. Once it is navigating, we need to enter the user ID here and click next. So to do that, we need to know this HTML document. We'll create object for that. Dim docs as HTML document. Okay, even HTML document is not there. So for that, we need to add one more reference. That is Microsoft HTML object library. Yeah, this one. Let's go to object browser again, and yeah, this is under MS HTML, and here if you have lot of classes, we are going to use a class called HTML document. HTML yeah, this one, and which has all these methods inside that to use. Okay, let's double click this code and go to the code. Now we need to create ms HTML dot ml document. Now we have created the document, and let's set it. Set ml docs is equal to Internet Explorer dot document. So from Internet Explorer document we will get a HTML document, and we are setting the HTML document so that we will get the int license here. Once the browser is ready, if you say HTML dot get element by ID, get element by class name, you can do that. So we'll declare one more variable for each element. First one, let's say dim email element as html dot element, it is HTML input element. Okay, now set email is equal to HTML docs dot get element by ID, and let's find out this ID. For that, come here, right click to the text box or whatever the property you want to get the ID, and click inspect element. Now you will be able to see this DOM object minus the name is identifier. I don't think this property is Good, autocomplete. Okay, ID is identifier ID. Let's copy this. Let me do one more time just for to double check it. Yeah, this is identifier ID. Let's set it here as in the double quote. You need to set it like this. Now you can say email dot value. You can say test at test.com. We'll remove this one. Let's close this. I am going to press F5 to run. Unspecified error. Let's see why I'm getting this error. Okay, I got it. The document property will be ready only after the browser is ready. This is the simple trick. Now we should not get any error. Let's hope. Yeah. Now this is test.com is set. Now next is to click this one. Let's create one more object. That is also the same HTML input object. We'll say as next button. Set next button is equal to HTML docs dot get element by ID. If ID is there, we'll get next get element by get element by ID. If you say click, it should click now. Let's do this. Yep. To find the element ID, I faced difficulty in Internet Explorer. Same thing, you can open Google Chrome and press F12, right click and inspect element. It works fine, and there you can get the ID. So whenever there is an issue, try with different browser, you should get the solution. Thanks friends for watching.